How y'all doing? CJ Moto here, and I'm back. It's Thursday at like 3 in the afternoon, and I just got home, and I had all kinds of stuff waiting for me. I got a pot roast cooking. I got my Blue Moon with my little miniature oranges in there. Oh, man. It's going to be a good one. So let's see what we got here. Let's bring this new mic over here. All right, we got 4 packages today. Blinding myself with these spotlights. Alright, let's see here. One thing I've learned is you got to be careful opening these packages. You got your razor blade and you're all excited. Sometimes it's best to just take your time with them, because I have cut into some things. Alright, here we go. So I'll give you all some information. On eBay, go to 10-piece XT90 male-female connectors. AMAS is what you want. Trying to figure out who. I don't know what the company was, but man, I love these things. I'm addicted to these things. I ordered 10 more just because I'm running low. But they are so nice. And here's a little tip for y'all. When you solder these up, you have to do this, because they will get really hot and they'll shift on you. I'm sorry, I know you can't hear me, but they'll get really hot and they'll shift on you. So you want to make sure that you put the male and the female together and then solder their respected side. There's a little tip for you. And then let it cool off completely before you take it apart. They're always tight, but they will be perfect then. And then of course, don't forget to put these over the wires. These are the snapbacks for them. So I use shrink wrap as well. I do the shrink wrap and the snapback. I don't like bullet connectors. It just leaves too much room for human error. So you can definitely mess things up with bullet connectors. Oh, nice. Cool. Heck, here we go. Let's do a giveaway today. Alright, we're going to do a giveaway. I'm going to post this video. I want you to comment on it, and then in 2 hours time after I post it, I'm going to give one of these away. I got 3 of them off eBay, and these are really nice. I used one at the races. I borrowed one from somebody at the races this weekend. It is a 1S to 8S LiPo battery voltage detector. So let's take a quick look. You get your LiPo pack. This one should be fully charged. I didn't even plan on doing a giveaway, but woo, it's loud too. There it is. This is a high voltage pack. So here, check it out. $17.1. So yeah, there you have it. 4.31 to 4.32. I didn't let it balance completely. I was being impatient. But yeah, it's supposed to, does all kinds of cool stuff. So I'm going to give this away 2 hours time from when I post this video. Alright, let's get moving here. I don't want this to be too long. In this one, we have, there it is, Hot Racing. It's a tire punch. Because now I have to mount my own tires. I don't get pre-mounts. Well, AKA just started giving pre-mounts to their people again. But anyhow, that's nice. Hot Racing. It looks like it's probably just somebody else's. But yeah, that'll be nice. Putting holes in the tires before I mount them. And then here's what we've all been waiting for. Or I know I've been waiting for. Alright, let's take a little beer break. Okay. See, that's what I'm talking about. I didn't cut through them, but I very well could have. You have got to be careful when you're unboxing things. Yeah, I was smart. I didn't go deep. So I got 2 sticker sheets, aka Racing. And here we go. This is what happens when you're sponsored. You get your foams like this. You don't get them in packaging anymore. This is my first time getting a package like this. I got foams galore. And I got, look, your tires just come all bundled up like this. I got a set of, here, I tell you what, let's switch the video over and let's look at these tires up close. I got something special in here. Y'all are going to love it. I promise. It's awesome. So let's check it out. All right, let's see here. We got a set of impacts. It's kind of hard to see. Let's open this window. I-beams. Got a set of I-beams. Some inserts. Got to have inserts or else your tires would just, it would not work out very well. Don't forget about the inserts. Wheels. And don't be afraid to reuse some inserts either. Another set of I-beams. There's some city blocks. They're pretty sweet. They've got, check these. You got to look into these. The city blocks are pretty cool. I think they'll be good on some different surfaces with some more dust.
All
cut
right,
through the
so
dust
here's
and
the
have
whole
like a
box of
second set of
goodies
tread.
here. So what do we got? I don't even know
Some
if you can
glue
really tell what we
bottles.
got.
And look at that.
Probably
It's just
hard to
ghost.
See if I can open
Just
this
ghost
window and
glue
show it to
bottles,
you a
no
little better.
label.
So we had some impacts. Those are another set
And
of
glue
that's city
tubes.
blocks right there.
And we got some AKA
We got
tire
our
bands.
foams.
Gotta have
Gotta have
those. I might wear
foams.
one as a
I'm gonna
bracelet.
reuse
It'll look
some of
kind
my
of cool.
foams. I'm gonna start
Here we
cutting
go.
those off, save
Boom!
some cash.
The CJ Moto,
Wheel.
AKA specially designed a tire just for me. Look at
There's
that
a city
tread.
block right there.
It's aggressive.
I'm sorry, that other one was an I-beam.
It's
Here's a city
sexy.
block.
It's
So they're pretty
sleek.
cool. They got like a tread.
No,
on
it's
top of
actually
the
just
tread.
the Moto, not the
I know it's
CJ
kinda
Moto.
hard to see these.
But it's like the most rare
There's
AKA
the
tire. You have
glue.
to be super awesome to
Yeah,
use it.
doesn't even have,
So
like,
yeah, there you have it.
nothing. Check it out.
Go ahead and comment on this video and see if you can win that prize. All right, thank you guys. I appreciate it.
And we
Check
got
these
some
out.
tire bands.
Oh, they're freaking sweet. I can't wait to mount them. I might make a mounting video.
For mounting.
Anyhow, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go check on my pot roast.